Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have a hands-on review with the Galaxy S10e. Now this is the entry-level one starting at $749 and it comes in a couple different colors. This is the standard one, but if you want something really interesting, you have over here this canary yellow, which is a really interesting color. Not for me per se, but it depends on how you feel. If you want it, it's going to be, hey, very different color. Now with this one, you still have two cameras on the back, so it's going to be still really good. So you have the regular and you have the wide angle, which I think is a really good one to kind of go with. I like that better than having lost the telephoto than having lost the wide angle. Personally, I really have grown fond of the wide angle, and I always want to have a phone that has it. So I really like that it's the regular and the wide angle. A lot of people aren't talking about that. Those are the two cameras that you keep on the S10e. All in all, you have all the same kind of features though, in terms of the reverse wireless charging, still have kids home, still have all this fun extra features that Samsung puts in, and really all in all, I think it's a really good buy. If you want a smaller phone, it's really small in the hand and just definitely stands out. So it's going to be a really good looking one overall with how it looks. You still have a regular and a wide angle, still have that adaptive aperture on there. So all in all, I think it might be a really good look to it. And yeah, if you want a pocketable phone that's really small, I think this is your best one to go with. So all in all, for the price, I think you're getting a lot with this phone, and definitely interested to see how it stands out and how it measures up.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.